Hi everyone, and welcome to Home Reviews. Are you looking for the top 5 best non-toxic air fryers in 2025? Here are my full reviews of the top 5 best non-toxic air fryers in 2025. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. Thank you. Number 1. Discover the Ninja Crispi Air Fryer and Portable Cooking System, your all-in-one solution for effortless, healthy, and convenient cooking. Crafted from premium non-toxic borosilicate glass, this system ensures your meals are cooked, stored, and served safely without harmful chemicals or odors. The 4QT and 6-cup glass containers are perfect for preparing, baking, reheating, freezing, and storing your favorite dishes, all in one versatile set. Engineered for modern kitchens, each container is microwave, freezer, air fryer, and dishwasher safe, allowing seamless transitions from cooking to cleanup. The crystal clear glass design lets you easily monitor your food while adding a sleek, contemporary touch to your countertop. Ideal for meal prep, leftovers, or family dinners, these containers are built to handle high temperatures and resist stains and scratches. Enjoy the perfect blend of durability and functionality with the Ninja Crispi. Whether you're air frying crispy snacks, baking casseroles, or storing soups for later, this portable cooking system delivers outstanding performance and convenience. Simplify your cooking routine and experience the next level of smart, safe, and sustainable cooking with Ninja's innovative glass container system. Number 2. The Ninja Foodi Smart XL Indoor Grill and Air Fryer is your all-in-one kitchen powerhouse, designed to deliver perfectly cooked meals with ease and precision. This 6-in-1 versatile appliance lets you grill, air fry, roast, bake, broil, and dehydrate, all in one compact device. With its smart cook system and integrated Foodi smart thermometer, you can achieve restaurant-quality doneness every time, without any guesswork. The XL capacity makes it ideal for family-sized meals, allowing you to cook up to 6 steaks, or air fry enough crispy fries for the whole crew. Thanks to its cyclonic grilling technology, the grill sears your food with up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit of rapid cyclonic air, locking in juices and flavor while giving you perfect char grilled marks. The smoke control system and splatter shield ensure a clean, odor-free kitchen experience. Whether you're grilling juicy burgers, air frying crispy chicken wings, or roasting tender vegetables, the Ninja Foodi Smart XL makes every dish effortless. Enjoy delicious, healthier meals faster, with less oil and more flavor. Elevate your home cooking with the ultimate indoor grill and air fryer combo. Number 3. Experience next-level cooking with the Cosori 9-in-1 TurboBlaze Air Fryer 6Q, your ultimate kitchen companion for fast, healthy, and flavorful meals. Engineered with TurboBlaze trademark technology, it delivers powerful, precise airflow and even heating from 90 degrees Fahrenheit to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring crispy textures and tender interiors every time. Whether you're air frying, roasting, baking, broiling, drying, reheating, or cooking frozen foods, this versatile appliance handles it all effortlessly. The premium ceramic-coated basket is not only non-stick and toxin-free, but also easy to clean, offering long-lasting performance without harmful chemicals. With a 6-quart capacity, it's perfect for families or meal prepping, fitting everything from crispy fries to a full chicken. The intuitive digital display and one-touch presets make cooking faster and more convenient, while its compact, sleek design saves counter space. Enjoy guilt-free indulgence with up to 85% less oil and precise temperature control for consistent, restaurant-quality results. From quick weeknight dinners to gourmet creations, the Cosori 9-in-1 TurboBlaze Air Fryer brings speed, precision, and versatility together, redefining the way you cook every day. Number 4. NextG Non-Toxic Air Fryer 12-in-1 Stainless Steel Innovation. Experience healthier, faster, and smarter cooking with the NextG Non-Toxic Air Fryer. Crafted with premium stainless steel and a safe ceramic-coated classic basket, designed for modern kitchens, This 6QT midsize powerhouse combines performance and style in one sleek appliance. With 12 versatile cooking functions, you can air fry, roast, bake, grill, toast, reheat, and more, all at the touch of a button. The dual heat technology ensures even cooking at up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, locking in flavor while achieving that perfect golden crisp with little to no oil. Unlike traditional nonstick coatings, the metal inner and ceramic coating are 100% toxin-free, eliminating concerns about harmful chemicals like PFOA or PTFE. Built for everyday convenience, it features an intuitive digital display, easy clean removable parts, and energy-efficient operation powered by 120V. From crispy fries to juicy chicken and baked desserts, this air fryer delivers restaurant-quality results right at home. Upgrade your kitchen with a NextG 12-in-1 air fryer, where innovation meets health, style, and flavor in every bite. Number 5. Introducing the non-toxic air fryer trademark 5-quart glass air fryer, the healthier, safer, and smarter way to enjoy your favorite crispy meals. Designed with 100% BPA-Free and Teflon-free materials, this innovative air fryer ensures your food stays free from harmful chemicals. The heat-resistant borosilicate glass bowl lets you watch your food cook with 360 degrees visibility, so you can see every golden, crunchy detail without opening the lid. Powered by 400 degrees Fahrenheit Vortex rapid air technology, it circulates hot air evenly for faster, crispier, and oil-free cooking. Whether you're frying, baking, roasting, reheating, dehydrating, or grilling, this 6-in-1 multifunctional air fryer does it all with precision and ease. Cleaning is effortless with its self-cleaning mode, saving you time while maintaining a spotless interior. Its 5-quart capacity is perfect for family meals or quick snacks, combining performance with convenience. Upgrade your kitchen with a non-toxic air fryer trademark, where modern design meets pure cooking innovation. No toxins, no Teflon, just deliciously healthy results every time. Experience true peace of mind and flavor perfection with this next-generation glass air fryer.